Hey guys, we're back. This will be the last video today on this Forester. Maybe. To show you guys how to remove the bottom door rocker panel molding, door cladding. I don't know. That's the only two things I came up with. If you open the door, put your hand right here, and just you see how just like that. And even the third grader can do it. So we pulled it off, we're going to paint it, and we'll put it back on. So we're going to, after removing it, let's go ahead and reinstall it. Make sure that these clips come out of the door. If they don't, pull them out, put them back on the door rocker panel before putting it back on, or else you're going to have one hell of a hard time getting this thing back on, and then it's not going to want to fit. You could, reapply the glue or the double tape if you want. I don't. It's not going to make a difference. Going back on, let's reinstall this door cladding or molding. Make sure you line up the holes with the clips, like so, and then just push it. It's very simple. That's how you reinstall a door cladding, door molding. But that's it for today on this car. We've got a 2018 base model Forester without a turbo bumper. We made a video on the fog lights on a turbo bumper, so people got a little confused. So I'm gonna make a video today on a non-turbo bumper. Just give you an idea of what's the difference are between turbo and non-turbo. So stay tuned, subscribe to us, turn on the notification button, go buy a Forester, and do everything yourself.